Hi, welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to talk about customizing line width. Now we would like to plot a function, which is this one, y equals x to the power of 2, and x ranges from -10 to 10, and we would like to set the line width to 3. So we import the necessary libraries. Then we're generating here the x using the linspace function between -10 and 10, and we are going to have 100 points, and this is my function y equals x to the power of 2. Now that we want to plot this function, for the horizontal line we are having x, for the vertical line we are having y, for the color we are having blue, and this is something that we choose ourselves. We could have it like green, red, purple, whatever. But the important thing here is the following. So we want to have the line width to be 3. So now I am having line width to be 1. As you see, this is my line now, but I want it to be 3. So when I change it to 3, you see that the line is thicker now. So this is how actually we can have the line width. And then, as always, we are having the labeling for the horizontal and vertical axis and also the title. And here we are showing the plot. So in this video, we learned that if we want to have a customization for the line width, we can have it using the line width when we are plotting the function, and simply we are going to choose the number that we are looking for. For example, if we want to have the width of 5, we see that it's much thicker now as we see it here. So it depends on what we're looking for. We can customize it as we want, and this is how we can use the line width customization in order to plot our figure. Thank you for watching.